Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Michael King back again with another video. Today I'm going to analyzing the EURUSD. As you can see, this is EURUSD in daily time frame. I already marked some key levels on EURUSD. I'm going to explain what key levels I marked on EURUSD all the way from this period down to what's happening to EURUSD currently. So if you look at this period right here, you can see that price fell all the way down to this point, and I marked a support level right here, as you can see. This support level right here price, and price went up to retest a major level right here. So this major resistance level right here price the first time, second time, and the third time. And when projected the third time, price fell all the way down to this point, even breaking this level that was once a support level, as you can see. So price fell down all the way to this point right here, and price met a support level right here, as you can see. This support level right here price, and price went up to retest this level that was once a support level right here. So as you can see, this level now acts as a resistance level for EURUSD, and it price, and price fell all the way down to this point to retest this level that was once a support level right here, as you can see. So once again, this level price, and price made an upward movement, but midway price rejected and price fell all the way down to this point. So price met another major support level right here, as you can see. This support level right here price, and price went up to test this level that was once a support level, as you can see. So this level now stands as a resistance level for EURUSD, and the price fell all the way to this point, and price was somehow consolidating around this level until price eventually break the level and fall down all the way down to this point. So I'm going to switch to the H4 time frame right now, so I can show you how you can trade EURUSD this week. So this is EURUSD right now, the H4 time frame, and this is the major level right here that was once a support level. Let me show you guys. That is this level right here. So this level right here, this is it right here in the H4 time frame. So as you can see right now, price is currently below this level. So I'm going to explain to you if you are planning on buying EURUSD or if you are planning on selling EURUSD, what are you going to do? So if you are thinking of selling EURUSD, I will advise you to be patient enough to wait for price to probably go up to a test this level, or you can see that there's a level right here. So this point right here, if price can get to this point right here, and you see probably a bearish reversal candle with a sell stop order right below it, and proper risk management. That is, you can sell at this point right here, or you can sell at this point right here. But it's going to be very risky for you to just place a sell stop order right at this point, because price might want to go up a little bit. So eventually price might hit your stop loss. So it means you have to be patient enough to wait for price to get to this point right here, for price to get to this point right here. But if you are thinking of buying EURUSD, then I advise you to wait for a bullish reversal candle, because price might have a rejection candle right here. So if you see a bullish reversal candle right here, you can place a buy stop order right above it and proper risk management, or you can wait for a price to break this level right here. Then if you're an aggressive trader, you can place a buy stop order right above it, proper risk management, or you can wait for a price to break this level and go up a little bit. Then if you see a retracement candle to retest this level, meaning that this level now wants to act as a support level, place a buy stop order right above it, apply Forex management. That's all on EURUSD analysis. If you do enjoy, hit that like button, also share to your friends, and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.